Open house Thursday 12 to 2 p.m. and Saturday 10:30 to 12 p.m. Buyers eligible for rate lock incentive being offered by seller or $10,000 towards buyer's closing costs. Must close by Jan 31, 2026. Interra Homes presents their Ashford condo with Michigan room in the gated neighborhood of Redstone Farms. A 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with 2,071 square feet. Finished. Enjoy a light and bright living room with vaulted ceilings. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash and solid surface counters. The ensuite features a full bathroom and large closet with direct access to the laundry room. The second bedroom, also on the main floor, offers a flexible space that can easily transform into an office area. A large mudroom with built-in bench provides direct access to the main level laundry room. The walkout lower level includes a family room, third bedroom, and third full bathroom.